Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy SolCex on Trust Wallet Easy Guide. Open Trust Wallet and fund BNB or BSC-compatible tokens before swapping. Tap DEX or Pancake Swap via the browser, connect your wallet, and import the SolCex contract address exactly. Set slippage if needed and enter token amount. Confirm swap and approve any token permissions. Track balance on the wallet main screen and use small test swaps first. Before swapping, you need to secure your wallet, back up your recovery phrase, and enable any security settings. Verify the official SolCex contract address from trusted sources and copy it precisely. Make sure you have BNB to cover both the token swap and gas fees, and consider adjusting slippage to accommodate token taxes. Use a small test amount first to confirm the process and avoid large losses. Keep screenshots of transaction hashes for records. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep for longer trading sessions, grab leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks tidy and prevent spills in your bag. They're great for on-the-go trading or testing swaps while out. If you're finding this guide really helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the container link and other deals. Small comforts make crypto work easier. Now let's get back to the video. Start by opening Trust Wallet and accessing the DEX or in-app browser to reach Pancake Swap. Connect your wallet, paste the SolCex contract address, and import the token into your swap list. Enter the amount, adjust slippage to the token's requirements, then preview the swap to view expected tokens and fees. Confirm the transaction, approve when prompted, and wait for blockchain confirmations. Check your wallet for the new token balance now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.